Hi friends! Welcome to Color Buddies. Let's draw something super fun together. Can you guess what it will be? Let's start our drawing with a big rounded rectangle. That's going to be the front part of our vehicle. Now let's add a square behind it. This part will hold some super important tools. Here's a clue. This vehicle is super helpful in emergencies, especially when there's smoke or fire. Can you guess what it might be? Let's draw two big round wheels at the bottom. You're doing amazing! Keep it up! This vehicle has a long ladder on top that can reach very high places, even rooftops. Now let's finish up by adding a siren on top. And a happy face so it looks super friendly. Just a few more details. Great job! We just drew a fire truck. Look how cool and brave it looks, ready to save the day. What color do you think we should use for the main body of the truck? Clue: it's the same color as a juicy apple and also means stop. Is it red, blue, green? That's right, red! Let's color the truck bright red. What color should we use for the ladder? Clue: it's the color of the sky on a clear day. Is it blue, yellow, orange? Yes, blue. Let's make that ladder blue and strong. Let's color the wheels a dark gray and the headlights a sunny yellow. Great job coloring those parts. It's looking awesome. Wow, your fire truck is almost ready to roll. It's turning out so cool and heroic. We've finished coloring. Our fire truck is ready. What do you say we do a little magic and turn it into clay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Look at our fire truck in clay. It looks adorable and super brave, like it's ready to zoom off to help someone. You did such a fantastic job, little artist. What vehicle should we draw next? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and come back for more. Color Buddies.